In front of me is OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Google. Then select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now, click on Google Password Manager to select any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. If it's too long, hit Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!